Good morning, my dear students. Welcome in our English class. Today we are going to start our second lesson of English, The Magical Book. In this lesson, we are going to read a story about a young boy, Harish, who has one bad habit, and that is he never keeps his books properly, always tearing the pages to make rockets and boats, and touch his books with dirty hands, and throw them around and often misplace them. Now it's a very bad habit, and his mother was really disturbed with this. So one day she decided to teach him a lesson with the help of his class teacher. So let's see how his mother and class teacher taught him a lesson. So let's start the reading. The vacation was coming to an end. The school would reopen in a week. Vacation means holidays. Harish was watching TV when he heard his mother shout from the other room. Harish, are you ready? The counter closes at 12 o'clock. We have to hurry. The meaning of shout is speak in loud voice. Hurry means move quickly. Now his mother saying to Harish that Harish, hurry up. The counter closes at 12 o'clock. That means Harish and his mother are going somewhere. So let's see where they are going. Harish hurriedly put on his shoes and shouted back, Yes, Mom, I'm ready. I'm waiting for you near the car. Hurriedly means again, move quickly or do something in quick way. Put on means wore. Shouted means speak in loud voice. And now what Harish said to his mom? Yes, Mom, I'm ready. I'm waiting for you near the car. Now as you can see in the picture that Harish is getting ready. Right? Harish and his mother were going to collect his new textbooks and notebooks for class 3rd from the school. Now where they are going? They are going to collect his new textbooks and notebooks because now Harish is in 3rd standard. His friend Amit had already got his books. What is the name of his friend? Amit, right? They were glossy and colorful. Glossy means shiny. Now what is glossy and colorful? Books were glossy and colorful. As soon as Harish got the books from the counter, he leafed through them. Leafed through means quickly turn the pages, reading only a little. Right? We all has this habit. Whenever we get new books, we quickly turn the pages to see what is inside it. Right? We all are very curious about it. The pages were so crisp and neat. Crisp means stiff and smooth. On the way back, mother warned him. Warn means inform someone in advance of a possible problem. Now let's see what warning she gave to Harish. Remember, Harish, you are a big boy now. You must keep these books properly. No tearing pages to make rockets and boats. Now, as I have already told you in the starting of this lesson that Harish has a bad habit of not taking proper care of his books and reading the pages. Okay? No, mother, this year I will keep my books neat. I won't tear pages, I promise. Now, Harish promised to his mother that this year he will keep his books neat. Harish was good at studies. He played basketball well, but he had one bad habit. He treated his books badly. He would tear their pages, touch them with dirty hands, throw them around, and often misplace them. Misplace means lose them. His parents and teachers scolded him several times for this. Scolded means showing disapproval for someone's behavior or show anger. Okay? But he did not listen. His mother hoped that at least this year he would be more careful. Now let's see what happened next. The school reopened and classes began. Harish proudly carried his new books to school. But just 2 months into the school term, all the books were looking different. Now, what happened? The same thing as earlier. The English notebook had no cover, mathematics has many pages missing, the Hindi textbook was torn. Okay? Harish's mother got angry seeing the pathetic shape of his books. Pathetic means in so bad condition. Okay, in very, very bad condition. She decided to teach him a lesson. She went to see Harish's English teacher, Mrs. Jaya. What is the name of his English teacher? Mrs. Jaya. And they thought of a plan. Now, they both were planning to teach him lesson. On Monday morning, Harish was getting ready for school. Mother, did you see my English notebook? I have a test today. Now Harish is saying to his mother that, Mother, today I have test, but did you see my English notebook? No, Harish, I'm sure it's somewhere there. Have you checked inside your bag and the shelf? Oh, Mom, I can't find it anywhere. Mrs. Jaya is going to scold me today. Now Harish is worried because he is not able to find his book anywhere. Well, it's time to leave. Your bus is here already. I'm also getting late for office, said Mother, smiling to her. Now, why Mother is smiling? Because she already knew that it's a part of their plan which she had made with the help of his teacher. She knew Mrs. Jaya would take care of the rest. Later in the class, Mrs. Jaya asked the pupils to take out their English notebooks. Pupils means students. She handed out the question paper and ordered them to answer the questions. Handed out means gave. She gave the question paper and ordered them to answer the questions. While the other children was busy preparing to write, Harish sat staring ahead with tears in his eyes. Staring means looking at something for a long time with the eyes wide open. Harish, where is your notebook? Why are not you writing the answers? Now Mrs. Jaya asked to Harish. Ma'am, I have lost my notebook. Now Harish said that, Ma'am, I have already lost my notebook. Oh really? I'm not surprised. Now who is not surprised? Mrs. Jaya. Let's see why she's not surprised. In fact, last night I had a dream. Many books were shouting and complaining about the cruel little children who heard them. Cruel means willfully causing pain to others, intentionally causing pain to others. They had decided to hide themselves from the little villains. Villain and cruel has same meaning. Now, who decided to hide themselves? Books decided to hide themselves from the cruel children. I think my dream is coming true. Harish, how would you like it if someone pulled your nose, hands, ears, or legs? Wouldn't it hurt? Your books feel the same when you tear them. Now, what Mrs. Jaya said, that yesterday night many books came in her dream and they all were shouting and complaining that little cruel children hurt them. That's why they hide themselves. This is the reason that Harish is not able to find his English notebooks. As you can see in the picture, books are saying that don't tear us. Harish thought for a few moments. His mother, father, and grandparents were always angry with him for this single bad habit of his. He said, crying, Ma'am, please give me one last chance. I promise I will be careful with my books. Now Harish promised to his teacher that from now onwards he will be careful with his books. Mrs. Jaya said, Go home and check your bookshelf. I'm sure your notebook would have come back there. Take today's test in your rough notebook and remember, don't ever tear pages from your books or keep them dirty. Harish had learned his lesson. Learned his lesson means change his habit after seeing what is good. Harish was surprised when he reached home. The English notebook was right there on the shelf. How did he miss it in the morning? Had Mrs. Jaya's dream come true? Now Harish is thinking that, is Mrs. Jaya's dream come true? Come true means become real. Now, I'm sure you all have one question in your mind, that did Mrs. Joya actually have any dream of books complaining? And the answer is no, because Mrs. Joya did not actually have any dream of books complaining. That was just a plan which she had made to teach him lesson with the help of his mother. So beta, what is the moral of this story? The moral is books have special importance in our life and a source of knowledge. So we should always keep our books in good condition, right? So today, give me a promise that from today onwards you all will keep your books properly. You will never tear the pages and never touch your books with dirty hands, right? So I hope you all will learn this lesson because you all are very good children. Okay? Thank you so much and have a nice day.